Good morning. It's Wednesday. Back to the Streets Drag and Drive starts today. It's day one. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. We're here. Sean's over here. We're about to start loading everything up. Justin busted his ass yesterday and got the trailer wrapped. Supposed to be wrapped last week and a little miscommunication, but it's done. Looks good enough for what we're doing. But truck's about to get loaded up, trailer's getting loaded. We got a couple more things to pile into this thing and we'll start getting it ready. All right, we'll load it up. Getting ready to another 20 minutes, waiting on Connor to get back with the V. He went to get fuel and then he'll be loading up and heading towards Muncie. About ready to go. Connor's back. Look at that unit. Anyway, got the V loaded. We're strapping it down now. We should be hitting the road in 10 minutes. Looks like we made it. It's been a little wet, but we're here. It rained a good part of the time on the way up, but it looks somewhat dry here.
Pretty recently, Mike Shinoda of Lincoln Park did it. It's like, hey, very
Got a Volvo, got a little G body. Let's go. All right, Sean. We made it. Let's get it. A little rainy. Well, today has been a bust. Day one, and it's been raining all day. They canceled the event a few hours ago. It kind of slows up and comes back, slows up and comes back, but it is what it is. Like I said, I think there's 70 cars total.